So if you've been having problems with Meniere's disease and you wonder if some of the things on our channel may be helpful, today I want to go over with you some of the differences and things that I've found in working with patients who have been having problems with Meniere's disease and how they can wind up getting help. So my name is Dr. Gregg with Align Wellness Center. I've been helping people to remove the blockages from their lives that have been stopping them from living amazing, fantastic lives through natural means. We've been doing this for the last 20 years and it's been amazingly fun. If you like the idea of getting information on how to do that, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We're constantly producing content and information to help you wind up experiencing that. Now, if you've suffered with Meniere's disease, you know that it could be very debilitating. I mean, I know that some of the patients that we've worked with have wound up not being able to move when they were in their car for over a day just because they felt so miserable. They felt that the world was spinning and they couldn't move right. This is really, really a tough disorder and dysfunction to wind up living with. And people have been asking me a lot here on our channel with a lot of the maneuvers we do and the content that we've produced related to vertigo, if these will wind up working for them. Now, the truth is that these may or may not work for you if you have Meniere's disease. And I'm going to be honest with you, they may or may not work for you if you have vertigo. You see, the challenging part about both of these conditions is that it's a collection of symptoms that can show up differently in each individual. And depending on the state that you're at, will show up differently in how you respond. Some of the foundations that I talk about in terms of being able to live a fantastic and amazing life as it relates to vertigo directly correlate to individuals who have problems with Meniere's disease. However, the key to both of these, the key and the foundation to both of these, is that we make sure that our brain is connected to our body. And if our brain's not connected to our body properly, then the vestibular apparatus, the information that helps to keep us balanced, won't work right. The nerves that wind up helping our immune system to fight off bacteria and viruses won't work right. And the way that we wind up doing that is by making sure that our spine is in the proper position. You see, if our spine is in the wrong position and our spine comes down here and it's supposed to have a good 40-degree curve in our neck, and if it's straightened, kinked, or reversed from accidents, traumas, injuries, or the life that you live, then there's no way for your body to work efficiently and properly. If we don't wind up addressing this, we can try and put all different kinds of therapeutics, medications, non-medications on top of what's going on. But if we don't get to the cause of the problem, and most typically it's the connection from our brain to those systems and parts of our body, then there's nothing that's going to help us get onto the right trajectory. If you've never had your spine checked, which most people haven't, when you go to your medical doctors, they're not checking out your spine. Our medical colleagues are exceptional at managing diseases, and they wind up assessing if you have a disease by looking primarily at the blood. If you're not had your spine looked at, there is a specific group of professionals that wind up doing this, and it's corrective chiropractors. Now, this is something that I found in my career that changed my life, and we've been helping people to do that all around the world, find the right corrective chiropractor for them. And if we can't find one for you in your area, many people have come from around the world to our office to wind up getting the care that they need. So if you're wondering if you have one or where to find one near you, go ahead and write down below. I'll look to find someone near you so that you can get the care that you need. If you've got specific questions about Meniere's disease or vertigo and how to manage them, or how you can live a life of optimal health and well-being, can you go ahead and write them down in the comments? I love to get your feedback and I respond to all of it, and look to use your information to help create great information for you in the future. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg, and I want to thank you for letting me be a part of your health.